I'm diving deep into the mysteries of quantum consciousness to uncover its shocking secret. Can I figure it out before the end of this video? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating intersection of quantum mechanics and consciousness, revealing secrets that could change everything we thought we knew. Many scientists and philosophers grapple with the enigma of consciousness, what it is, and how it arises from physical processes. Despite decades of research, the hard problem of consciousness remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries of our time. We know that consciousness is not just a product of the brain, but a complex phenomenon that permeates every aspect of our lives. The question is, what exactly is it, and how does it emerge from the activity of neurons and synapses? One of the most confounding aspects of consciousness is its subjective nature. We can observe the brain's electrical activity, scan its structures, and even manipulate its functions. But we still can't quite put our finger on what makes us, us. This has led some researchers to propose that consciousness might not be solely a product of the brain, but rather a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. Consciousness is often described as the ghost in the machine, a mysterious force that animates our bodies and gives rise to our experiences. But what if this ghost is not just a byproduct of biology, but a fundamental feature of the cosmos? The implications of this idea are staggering, and it's an area that we'll explore further in this video. We'll delve into the theories proposed by leading figures in the field, discussing concepts like quantum entanglement and how they might relate to our conscious experience. One of the most fascinating areas of research is the connection between quantum mechanics and consciousness. Theorists like Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff have proposed that consciousness arises from the collapse of quantum wave functions in microtubules within neurons. This idea is based on the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where two particles become connected in such a way that the state of one particle affects the other, regardless of distance. If we apply this concept to consciousness, it's possible that our thoughts and feelings are not just confined to our brains, but are connected to the universe as a whole. This would mean that consciousness is not just a byproduct of biology, but a fundamental aspect of the cosmos. The idea that consciousness is connected to the universe through quantum entanglement is still highly speculative, but it has sparked a lot of interest in research. Another theory is that consciousness arises from the quantum fluctuations in the microstate of the brain. This theory proposes that the brain's neural activity is influenced by quantum fluctuations, giving rise to our conscious experience. The most shocking revelation is that consciousness may not just emerge from the brain, but could be a fundamental aspect of the universe itself, as suggested by groundbreaking research. This idea is based on the concept of integrated information theory, which proposes that consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, like space and time. According to this theory, consciousness is not just a byproduct of biology, but a fundamental aspect of the cosmos that gives rise to our experiences. The implications of this idea are profound and challenge our understanding of reality. If consciousness is not just a product of the brain, but a fundamental aspect of the universe, it raises questions about the nature of free will and the human experience. Do we have control over our thoughts and actions, or are they determined by the universe itself? The concept of consciousness as a fundamental aspect of the universe also raises questions about the nature of reality itself. Is reality just a projection of our consciousness, or is it an objective feature of the universe? The answers to these questions are still unknown, but the research in this area is pushing the boundaries of our understanding. In summary, the exploration of quantum consciousness offers a thrilling glimpse into the mysteries of existence, challenging our understanding of reality. If you found this topic intriguing, be sure to check out our video on the nature of reality and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Join me as I dive into the world of dreams to see if I can unlock the secrets of other dimensions. Dreams have always fascinated us, haven't they? These mysterious, often illogical sequences of images and emotions that play out in our minds while we're asleep. We've all had them, and yet despite their ubiquity, we still can't quite put our finger on what they're all about. Are they just a byproduct of our brain's processing of the day's events, or is there something more to them? Could it be that our dreams are, in fact, a window into other dimensions, parallel universes, or alternate realities? For centuries, humans have grappled with the question of what dreams really are. Are they a source of inspiration, a way for our subconscious to communicate with us, or just a bunch of random neurons firing off in our brain? The ancient Greeks believed that dreams were messages from the gods, while modern science has attempted to explain them away as a byproduct of brain chemistry. But what if neither of these explanations is entirely accurate? What if dreams are something more? One of the biggest challenges in understanding dreams is the subjective nature of the experience. We can't exactly ask our brain why it decided to conjure up a particular scenario, and even if we could, would we really trust the answer? This subjective nature makes it difficult to design experiments or studies that can reliably quantify the dream experience. And yet, despite these challenges, researchers have made some fascinating discoveries about the nature of dreams. For example, did you know that research has shown that our brains are just as active during REM sleep when we're dreaming as they are when we're awake? This has led some scientists to suggest that dreams are, in fact, a way for our brain to process and consolidate memories, especially emotional ones. But this still doesn't explain the weirdness, the surreal quality that often accompanies our dreams. Theories about dreams abound, and they're not all rooted in science. Many spiritual and religious traditions believe that dreams are a way for us to access other realms, to communicate with the dead, or to tap into the collective unconscious. The idea that dreams are a portal to other dimensions is a tantalizing one, and it's not hard to see why it has captured the human imagination for so long. One of the most fascinating theories about dreams comes from the realm of quantum physics. According to the many worlds interpretation, every time a decision is made or an event occurs, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes, each with their own version of reality. Could it be that our dreams are a way for us to access these parallel universes, to experience the what-ifs and maybes of our lives? Research into the neuroscience of dreaming has also uncovered some surprising insights. For example, did you know that our brains use the same regions to process dreams as they do to process real-life experiences? This has led some scientists to suggest that our brains are, in effect, simulating reality, creating a virtual world that's indistinguishable from the real one. But what if this virtual world isn't just a simulation? What if it's an actual portal to other dimensions? Other research has shown that dreams can be influenced by external stimuli, even to the point where we can be programmed to have specific dreams. This raises some intriguing possibilities, doesn't it? If our dreams can be influenced by the external world, could they also be influenced by other dimensions, other realities? Some scientists have even gone so far as to suggest that our dreams might be a way for us to access information from other dimensions, information that's not available to us in our waking lives. This idea, of course, raises all sorts of questions about the nature of reality and whether we're living in a reality that's fundamentally different from the one we experience. So what have we learned on this journey into the world of dreams? We've seen that dreams are mysterious, that they're poorly understood, and that they may be a window into other dimensions. We've explored some of the fascinating theories and research that suggests that dreams might be more than just a byproduct of our brain's processing of the day. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of dreams. If you've had any dreams that you just can't explain, or if you've had experiences that suggest that dreams might be more than just fantasies, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to explore more mysteries of the mind, be sure to check out our video on the strange science of consciousness. I'm on a mission to uncover the real meaning of synchronicity, and I'm diving deep into some mind-bending experiences to figure it all out. The concept of synchronicity has been around for centuries, originating from the work of Carl Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist who explored the idea of meaningful coincidences. He defined synchronicity as the occurrence of two or more events that seem to be meaningfully connected, yet lack a causal relationship. This concept has gained significant attention in psychology and spirituality, as it suggests that there may be a deeper, more mysterious connection between our inner and outer worlds. Many people think synchronicity is just about coincidences, like running into an old friend in a foreign country or finding a $20 bill on the ground. However, these events, as surprising as they may be, do not necessarily qualify as synchronistic. Synchronicity is more about the experience of two or more events that are connected in a way that transcends mere chance. For instance, seeing repeating numbers like 111 or 222 and having a deep feeling that these numbers are trying to tell you something can be a form of synchronicity. The problem is, people often struggle to distinguish between genuine, synchronistic experiences and mere coincidences, which can lead to misunderstandings about the concept. People also tend to over-romanticize synchronicity, believing it's always a sign of something positive or magical. While it's true that synchronicity can be a beautiful experience, it's not always the case. Sometimes synchronistic events can be challenging or even unsettling, forcing us to confront aspects of ourselves or our lives that we'd rather avoid. This is because synchronicity often pushes us out of our comfort zones, encouraging us to grow and evolve. By acknowledging the complexities of synchronicity, we can begin to appreciate its true nature and significance. Synchronicity can be a highly subjective experience, making it difficult to define or measure. This is why many people are skeptical about its validity, viewing it as nothing more than a form of confirmation bias or a product of our imagination. However, for those who have experienced synchronicity firsthand, it can be a life-changing phenomenon that challenges our understanding of reality and our place within it. By sharing our personal stories and experiences, we can begin to build a more nuanced understanding of synchronicity, one that acknowledges its complexities and mysteries. The lack of concrete evidence or scientific proof can also make it challenging for people to fully grasp the concept of synchronicity. As a result, many are left with more questions than answers, wondering if synchronicity is just a figment of our imagination or a genuine phenomenon that deserves our attention. This ambiguity can be frustrating, but it also leaves room for exploration and discovery, inviting us to explore the depths of our own experiences and intuition. By embracing the unknown and the unexplained, we can begin to uncover the hidden patterns and connections that underlie our lives. Jung's perspective on synchronicity is particularly interesting, as he saw it as a way to access the collective unconscious, a shared reservoir of archetypes and experiences that transcend individual minds. According to Jung, synchronicity is a way to tap into this collective unconscious, allowing us to access knowledge and wisdom that lies beyond our personal experiences. This idea has far-reaching implications, suggesting that our individual experiences are connected to a larger web of meaning and significance. By exploring Jung's ideas, we can gain a deeper understanding of synchronicity and its role in our lives. Jung's concept of the collective unconscious is closely tied to his idea of archetypes, which are universal symbols and patterns that appear across cultures and time. These archetypes can manifest in our dreams, myths, and legends, as well as in our waking experiences, often in the form of synchronistic events. For example, the archetype of the hero or the journey can appear in our lives as a series of challenging events or opportunities that push us to grow and evolve. By recognizing these archetypes, we can begin to see the deeper patterns and connections that underlie our experiences, revealing the hidden meaning and significance of synchronicity. In modern life, synchronicity can manifest in many ways, from the strange coincidences that occur in our daily routines to the profound experiences that challenge our understanding of reality. For instance, meeting someone who shares our exact birth date or experiencing a series of strange coincidences that seem to be guiding us towards a particular goal or outcome. These events can be dismissed as mere chance, but they can also be seen as opportunities to tap into the deeper currents of life, revealing hidden patterns and connections that can guide us on our journey. By paying attention to these synchronistic events, we can begin to uncover the hidden meaning and significance of our lives. Synchronicity can be a powerful catalyst for personal growth, encouraging us to explore new possibilities and perspectives. When we experience synchronicity, we are often forced to confront our own limitations and biases, challenging our assumptions about the world and our place within it. This can be a painful process, but it can also be transformative, allowing us to break free from our old patterns and habits and embrace new ways of being and seeing. By embracing synchronicity, we can begin to tap into the deeper currents of life, revealing hidden patterns and connections that can guide us on our journey towards self-discovery and growth. The deeper insights about synchronicity reveal that it's not just about the events themselves, but about the connections and patterns that underlie our experiences. When we experience synchronicity, we are often seeing the world in a new light, recognizing the hidden threads that connect our lives and experiences. This can be a profoundly liberating experience, allowing us to break free from our old perspectives and see the world with fresh eyes. By embracing synchronicity, we can begin to uncover the deeper meaning and significance of our lives, revealing the hidden patterns and connections that underlie our experiences. Synchronicity can also be seen as a form of cosmic guidance, nudging us towards our highest potential and guiding us on our journey towards self-discovery and growth. When we experience synchronicity, we are often being encouraged to trust our intuition and follow our hearts, even when the path ahead is uncertain or unclear. This can be a challenging process, but it can also be incredibly rewarding, allowing us to tap into the deeper currents of life and reveal the hidden patterns and connections that underlie our experiences. By trusting in the power of synchronicity, we can begin to uncover the deeper meaning and significance of our lives, revealing the hidden possibilities and potential that lie within us. The experience of synchronicity can be deeply personal and subjective, making it challenging to put into words or share with others. However, by exploring the deeper insights and patterns that underlie synchronicity, we can begin to uncover the hidden meaning and significance of our lives. This can be a profoundly empowering experience, allowing us to break free from our old limitations and see the world with fresh eyes. By embracing synchronicity, we can begin to tap into the deeper currents of life, revealing hidden patterns and connections that can guide us on our journey towards self-discovery and growth. In summary, synchronicity is a complex and multifaceted concept that challenges our understanding of reality and our place within it. By exploring the various interpretations and experiences of synchronicity, we can begin to uncover the deeper meaning and significance of our lives, revealing the hidden patterns and connections that underlie our experiences. Whether we view synchronicity as a form of cosmic guidance, a way to access the collective unconscious, or simply a series of strange coincidences, it's clear that this phenomenon has the power to transform and inspire us, inviting us to explore the depths of our own experiences and intuition. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of synchronicity, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with this phenomenon in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more mind-bending topics, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be diving into the mysteries of the universe and the human experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.